Hala, Valentine's Day na pala.
Wala pang gift yarn! Wala pang gift? Halika, may re-recommend ako sa'yo. Tada!
Introducing
Crochet!
Crochet, where creativity meets comfort.
We offer 100% handcrafted crochet items tulad ng flower bouquets, keychains, wallets, and hair accessories.
Perfect na perfect ang aming crochet items, pangregalo sa kahit anong okasyon man yan.
Join us in celebrating craftsmanship and uniqueness.
We are seeking for partners and customers who value handmade excellence.
Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Gawin nating espesyal ang bawat okasyon with crochet.